Have your rotations changed the way you see your future career? If so, in what ways?
I can take this one. I'll go first. So I think that my rotations, specifically with the Alliance, have definitely shaped the way that my future career could go. One of the greatest things about this program is that when we are working at St. Joe's specifically, we have the opportunity to work with private doctors along with our in-house attendings. And I think that specifically gives us a really good perspective of what our future career could look like. So we kind of get the academic aspect of OBGYN, but we also kind of get to see the private side of OB. And then also just being able to work at two different hospitals with two very different patient populations has really kind of helped shape the way that I might want my career to be in the future. I think when you get to kind of have all of the interactions with different patients and with different types of specialty, private versus not private, all of those experiences really kind of help define exactly what I want to do in the future. And I think that's a really special aspect of this program that is really shaping the way that I would like my career to go.
I think that's helpful. Thank you, Tess. Stephanie?
Yeah, so when I came into radiology, I was pretty sure I was going to do private practice. I didn't have a solid reason why. I just thought that that's what everyone did and everyone said that's what you should do. But as I became more senior and became more involved in the leadership in our department, I found that I really liked to teach and I really liked to have learners, either medical students, residents, or ultimately, teaching fellows. So it's really driven my career to go more towards academics or towards some sort of job that I have learners, which is something I never truly considered before I started the program. So that has really, taught me something new about myself. And I think it's, going to be a more fulfilling job ultimately, since I chose that direction.
And that's something you would have never known had you not gone through these rotations. So.
Exactly.
Okay, Sharjeel.
Yes, from my standpoint, the experiences that I've had actually reinforced the career choice that I wanted to do, which is cardiology. For me, there's no cooler place to be than the cath lab, and all the times where I've got a chance to rotate there and assist with cases, really just solidified and reinforced my passion to wanting to pursue that as a career.
Okay, thank you. And Marco.
Yeah, actually, my experience that I have during my rotation is most of the attendings show to me how to treat the patient with compassion and kindness, and actually work with a team, work together as a team to try to improve actually the health of my patient. That actually was a wonderful experience.
Okay, those are all wonderful answers, and I can definitely see how these rotations can play an integral part in the future of your career.